Today I'm discuss about Microsoft Word, right? The lecture start. The first lecture is go to the home tab, right? MS Word. So first thing I can discuss about the QWERTY bar, right? But before you don't have this sign are there. And right click here, remove it, right? That is called quick access toolbar. First I remove it. So that is called, right, if you move cursor here, that is called customize quick access toolbar. I click here, right? So there are three ways you can pick the commands on the quick access toolbar. First thing is called, right, built-in list. If you click here, if you choose from the command is there print preview, to see the commands come on here, right, icon right here. If you click here, you can check, right, print preview is coming. You want to come back, click on this one arrow, right? Otherwise press escape key. So what is the shortcut key also? Control P is the shortcut key to go print preview, or you want to come back, escape key, right? So escape key is come back. So that is the first part is called, right, quick access toolbar. You can pick any command from the built-in list. If you want to pick here email, then email sign is coming, right? You want to pick any other command like this one, your spell checking basically is there, open new, and other one is draw table, right? If you click on the draw table, the table shows are here, right? So there are different ways you can pick the commands. That is called set title bar. If you want to save any document, right, that shows by default is document 4, but when you open the first time, that shows the document 1. You want to save this file, I can put here Control S, save, then I can go browse, then I save on my folder is there, Barclay. I can record this lecture is there. First part is called, right, lesson number 1. I click here, lesson number 1, right, MS Word, right, then save it, okay. And my first part is called, that is called lesson number 1, Microsoft Word, right. So that is called title bar. Another thing that is called your file is called your menu, right. If you click on the file, that is called home. Home means your recent files open, that shows the list here. That is the another part that is called the new. So what means the new? Blank document and templates, right. So if you click on the blank document, the blank document is automatically come like this one. You click here, the blank document is document 5 is coming, right. You want to close, there are two ways you can go close. Go to the file and the close option is here, right. Click here, right, they don't asking you save it. Then another part, for example, you want to go the file is called menu, right. The new means like this one, you want to make templates, you have a different templates. If you write a letters, you click on the letters, right, the letter template is coming, you can pick easily from here. You see the modern chronicle order issues, resolutions like this, your modern CV, there are different letters also there, right. For example, benefit expression letter, bold nursing cover letter, there are different letters are available, right. You can take any one from here. Another thing that is called, the template is called, right, flyers. If you want to make the flyers mean you make your invitation cards like this, your own flyers like this one, right. So you can choose any one from the list. For example, you want to choose this one, right, summer party. For example, you can double click here, right, double click here, you see your summer party template is coming. You can put your date and summer, you want to change anything here, you easily change it here, right. So that is shows are here, you can check, right. If you want to change something, you can change here, right. If you want to put here winter party, so I can change here, right, winter party like this. If you want to put the date like this one, you can put on maybe September 24, right. So that is yours, 24 September is the party, right. So like this you can change. You want to close, Control W is the shortcut key, right. What is the shortcut key is on screen keyboard. Control window O is the shortcut key is this, right. This is a keyboard. What is the shortcut key for close? Control W. When you press Control W, right, that's the shortcut key. No need to go file and close. So that is first part is called on screen keyboard. Don't save, right? Therefore, your document is closed, right? Okay, so another part that is called file is called new. New means template, right? You want to already your save file, you can open, you click on this one, right? So you can open your files from this PC. You can check, right, that there are different files are here. You can pick any one from here, right? So this already save it. I can pick from here. Another thing I can discuss later, right? Because I'm just start from here. That is called, right, for home. Home is called tab, right? So home is called tab. Insert is called tab. Design is called tab. Layout is called tab, right? So by default, how many tabs? Latest versions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last one is help. Okay, so the first part is called, right? Sometimes the older versions don't show that tab is designed. The first part is called home, right? The home is called tab. Tab divide different groups. What is the first group name is clipboard, second group name is font, third group name is paragraph, next group name is styles, next group name is editing. So what is the first part is called clipboard, right? Clipboard, that is called groups. Then each groups belong the commands, right? Cut, copy, format painter, paste. What is the next group name is font, right? The font command is bold, italic, underline, right? You see this one strike through. This is the subscript. This is a superscript. This is your text effects. That is your highlighter. That is your text color. That is called clear formatting. That is called your change case, right? You want to capital letters, small letter, right? The upper means capital letters. First letter is word is capital. Toggle case. Sometimes you write some words are small, some is a bigger. So that is called, right, toggle case. Sentence case means first letter of capital, rest of all is small. So that is called commands. Another thing, what is the background color? That is called is a ribbon. This is a background color light gray. This is a background color light gray, right? So this a background color is light gray. So that is called ribbon. Okay, sir. If you want to pick any command from the tab on put on your Q80 bar, so that is first part is called home, right? If I want to pick this one bucket, this is a fill option, right? Shading. I right click here. You see add to quick access toolbar. I click here. My command shifted on first one is right in the top. What is the next part is dot. You want to pick any border also, right? Right click here, add. You want to pick another command from the insert tab, you go there and shapes, right? Right click here, add. The shapes also come in the top. You want to draw the charts, I right click here, add. So may another command is come on the top, right? So that is called quick access toolbar. This is the second part. You want to pick command from the tab. What is the third part is called? That is called speak text, right? Sometimes you want to don't have the speaking in front of the audience because the different culture of audience, your pronunciation is not good, not understandable. Then I can take help from the command is not available in front of you. Then I can go right customize quick access toolbar. Then I can move more commands. Then I click on the popular commands, right? This is called quick access toolbar. That shows are here. Choose command from popular commands. I click here. Then I can choose all commands. Just wait until your message cannot change, right? So right now you can see here, right, all commands are coming. Then you click any one first. Then S letter hold because all commands start from S. But I want to pick here speak. So right now SH, right? You see here speak command is there, right? 2 times click. The speak command shifted in Q80 access toolbar. Then I click OK, right? So I can write here. You see the command is deselect, right? What I want to, I can write sometime in the paragraph. So how I can write quickly 5 paragraph, right? You have only 10 seconds. So what is the shortcut key? Equal sign RAND bracket start bracket close enter, right? You see automatically system generated text is speaking from this command. I will show again, right? What is the command is there? You can write equal sign RAND bracket start bracket close enter. So by default your paragraph 5 paragraph is coming 1 2 3 4 5. What do you want to this speaking this text paragraph? How you can firstly highlight. So what is the shortcut key? Using the mouse, right? 3 times click before paragraph. 1, 2, 3. So paragraph selected. After paragraph selected, then this command is there, right? That is called speak text. So that command is available there. Otherwise, you can go the new one, review tab, right? The command is available here, read loud. I just click, right? So let me check why it's not preventing, because the system is not supporting this one. So therefore you can check, right? According to your system, you can check this command is working, right? So that is the way you can pick this command is there, right? Speak text. Okay, so another thing is you want to pick, this is the 3 ways you can pick the commands on the QWERTY bar. One is called from the built-in list, second from any tabs, then third part is called from library. Okay, so right now I'm discuss about the clipboard, right? That is the first part is called, right, clipboard. For example, if you want to, what means a clipboard, right? For example, you can type the 5 paragraph, right? So this is my first 5 paragraph I can type. What I want, sir, I want to shift it the third paragraph to before video. So firstly you can highlight. So how many ways you can highlight the paragraph, right? I will discuss firstly selections. Before paragraph, you want to highlight the full paragraph. So 3 times click with on the left mouse right click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that is the shortcut key for selection of your paragraph. What is the shortcut key also with keyboard? My cursor here, right? Control and shift together, right? Then down arrow is the shortcut key to select the paragraph. So what is the shortcut key is there? Control, shift, hold, right? Both key hold. Then use this one down arrow, the paragraph select. Or you would like to the justify, Control J is the shortcut key justify, right? Then what is the shortcut key for center align? Control E is the shortcut key for center. Control J is the shortcut key for justify, right? Okay, so what is the shortcut key? You would like to move the paragraph from this point to before this, right? The Control X. That is called cut. Then before this one, Control V. So it's the shortcut key to moving the paragraph. Otherwise, what I'm doing, firstly you can highlight. Okay, you know the how to highlight. Control, Shift, right, down arrow. Okay, so Control and Shift, and then down arrow, right? So this is the selection of paragraph, right? So you can cut from here also, right? That is shortcut key also, Control X. So you can do here also. So what is the easiest way? You don't want to cut and paste, right? So what is the another easiest way? You want to move the paragraph before the video. So what I'm doing, right? What is the shortcut key is here? Alt, Shift, up arrow. You see your paragraph are moving, right? So what is shortcut key? Alt, Shift, up arrow, right? So this is the paragraph moving like this, right? I will show quickly what is the shortcut key. You want to move the paragraph, if not cut and paste. My cursor here, Alt and Shift, up arrow, down, down, right? So the moving the paragraph. So what is the shortcut key for the paragraph moving? I can write here, right? Alt plus Shift plus arrows, right? Right, up, right and up and down arrow. So this is the first lecture of this one. You can do, right, like this one. Okay, so what is the means? Second part is called copy, right? So firstly you can highlight. You want to make a copy. I click here, right? Where I want to move paste, I just paste here, right? So the paragraph also copy paste, right? Copy means you keep also here. You make another place also. So that is called, right, copy paste. Okay, so what is the third part is called, sometimes you have text, right? You want to copy some text from here. Then I click on this clipboard here. This is called temporary memory. I just clear all, right? You want to pick this one, Control C. You want to pick this one, some part is there, Control C. You want to pick some text from in this paragraph, Control C, right? So I have some text shifted here on the left hand side clipboard. Or you want to paste here, right? So I just click here, the paragraph coming, right? Or you want to need here some paragraph here, this paragraph you want, just click, right? Another benefit, you want to see the clipboard. For example, you go back any website. I can write here Barclay Training Center, Barclay Training Center, right? I can open this one. If you want to pick any information from your website and put on your Word, MS Word, so what I'm doing, I just came back here, right? I can you pick this information and shift it on your my MS Word. Like firstly highlight, Control C, that's it, right? Or you want to pick another information from another tab, this one maybe, so I can open this one. Or you want to pick any information from here, so I can just firstly highlight, Control C, right? Let I check wrong, right? On my clipboard, you see all informations are here, right? No need copy and paste, no need copy paste again and again, right? So you can need this information here, right? I just press here to go to this clipboard. I just click, right? You see same text is coming, but this text is coming not according to my this previous format. What I'm doing, right? Another way you can do, firstly highlight. You know how to highlight, 3 times click, right? Then Control Space Bar is the shortcut key, right? Clear formatting. What is the shortcut key for clear formatting? Come back normal. So that is shortcut key is Control Space Bar. Okay, I will show what is the shortcut key is there. Control Space Bar is the shortcut key clear formatting. I will do again Control Z. My cursor here. My text is this one. So what is the shortcut key for clear formatting? Control Space Bar is the shortcut key to this, right? Then Control J is the shortcut key for justify. Then thank you very much. This one is another thing is called clipboard, basically using for, right? You can sometimes pick information from the websites or you want to paste together. What I'm doing, I can select the position where I need all text together. My cursor should be here. You see paste option is there, right? Paste all. When you click on paste all, you see all text which I can copied are here. They are copied are here, right? Accordingly, you can check, right? All texts are shifted here. So you know, right? How to can this one, right? Normal. What is the shortcut key to clear formatting? Control Space Bar, right? So is the shortcut key to clear like this one. Another thing, sometimes you are facing problem, this is your very big spacing in between the words, then Control L, right? Like this one is there, right? So that is your shortcut key is there, Control L, left, right? That you can do like this one. Okay, sir, what is the next part is called, sometimes you want copy and paste, right? If you don't want to this one using clipboard, you can clear format here, close this window, right? Okay, sir, what is first, sometimes you want to highlight and this one, you want to bold, right? Italic and increase the size. For example, you change the color, same format you would like to apply here. You click on one time, the patterns are saved, right? The Control Shift C is the shortcut key also for Format Painter. The Control Shift V is also shortcut key for the paste, right? If you want to click here, Format Painter, you see brush is coming, right? You're using this one, right? But they show one time only. Okay, if you want to multiply times, you 2 times click here. You see option there, right? The double click, you see here, you apply formatting in the multiple places, double click Format Painter. So I can 2 times click here, 2 times, right? I can do 2 times click here, I'm using here, I'm using here, I am using here, I am using here, right? So that's a way you can use multiple times, right? If you want to clear from this one, then don't can use, right? Okay, so how to come back, that is sometimes your text like this one is very big, this one. The Control A is the shortcut key for selection all documents. Then Control Space Bar is the shortcut key to come back normal. So that is first part I will discuss about this one is clipboard. Okay, so what is the second part is called, you can, I'm using is bold, italic, underlined, right? Increase the font size, the style like this one. So I'm using how I can use it. I can create a new document. What is the shortcut key for the create a new document? I will show keyboard also, right? Control N, right? Is the shortcut key, create new document. What is shortcut key is repeating. Control N is the shortcut key for create new document. Okay sir, right now I would like to write a paragraph. So what is the shortcut key? I already discussed about its formula. RAND back start. I can put bracket close, enter, right? So how many paragraph is coming? 5 paragraph, right? I'm already telling you, if you would like to, the paragraph is not properly aligned. What is the problem is there? One line is big, one line is small. So I don't present data like this one, right? Report to the boss. So what I'm doing right now, firstly you can set this is justify. Without highlight you can justify. Control J. Otherwise you can go home tab. You click here, right? Justify. You want to go the center, this one, right? You go to the left hand line. This is right. Justify means like this. It's okay. If you want to highlight all paragraph together, Control A is the shortcut key. Select all. Then shortcut key is Control J. Control L left. Control R right. Control E center. Control L left. Control J right. This right. Okay, so sometimes you want to highlight only, right, letter by letter. So shift key hold, right, then right arrow. So what is the shortcut key? I show keyboard also. Shift key hold and use arrow. So this is called letter by letter, right? My cursor is here. Shift key hold, right arrow. So letter by letter, right? Or you would like to highlight word by word, Control and Shift together, right? Then right arrow. You see word by word. Or you would like to highlight line by line, shift down arrow, shift down arrow, down, line by line, right? You want to deselect, left arrow. You see shift down arrow, down, right? This is called line by line. You would like to highlight a paragraph to paragraph, right? With mouse, Control Shift down arrow, right? Control Shift down arrow again. Control Shift down arrow, Control Shift down arrow, Control Shift down arrow. Or you want to deselect, left arrow, right? Or you want to move to paragraph, Control down arrow, down, right? Control up arrow, Control up arrow, Control up arrow, Control up arrow. So that's the way you can create a paragraph. Okay, so next part is code, right? For example, the document is okay, good, right? I want to create a heading. I just press enter key. Then I move up arrow, Control E with the shortcut key center, Control L left, Control R right, the Control E center, right? So I can type here the institute name, Barclay Training Center, Barclay Training and Education Consultancy Center, right? How to go, right? Beginning home, right? Otherwise, Control right arrow, word by word moving, right? You want to come back, Control home, right? It's the shortcut key, right? Control and last one, right? Otherwise, press home and end, right? If you want to go the end of the line, end. If you want to go beginning of the line, home. Okay. How to highlight? Control Shift down arrow. Is the shortcut key to highlight. Otherwise, I'm telling you 3 times click before the line. 1, 2, 3, right? Control B, the shortcut key, bold. Otherwise, you can go home and bold. How to increase the size? You can come here, right? This increase the size, right? That decrease the size from here, okay? But what is the shortcut key? I will show in the keyboard. That is your keyboard is there. How to increase the font size? Control hold. This is the big bracket, right? Click here. So this key hold and this key hold, right? Or you want to decrease, Control hold and this one, right? So that is your start bracket and close bracket. So I can do in front of you, right? Without this one, same shortcut key, Control key hold, big bracket hold, right? Is big size, is a small, you know, right? Or you would like to see it's the first letter of Barclay, B capital, T capital, rest of all small. I'm already telling you that is called change case, right? I can go home tab. You see, so option is there, right? Change case, click here. You see option there, lowercase, also letter small. You see the second part is called uppercase, all letters capital. Again I can go right, capitalize each word, B capital, T capital, A capital, right? I'm telling you sentence case, first letter is capital, rest of all is small. If you want to uppercase, all letters capital, right? If you want to change the color, you can come here, color, right? You want to increase the size, you know, right? How can do this one? And bold, right? Control B, bold. Or if you want to change the style, you come back here in the home tab, you could choose from here, right? Or how to decrease the size, control start bracket. It's okay. If you want to change the style, name is there, Arial black, you can type also here, right? You can click here, you can type here Arial black, enter, right? The Arial black is coming, right? So sometimes like this one, okay, clear? Sometimes you like this one, right? Enter, but Barclay is big one, right? Like this, big one, Barclay. But training center is small, right? But it's very big gap because that spacing is there, right? Two types of spacing. That is called in the home tab. That is called, right, line spacing and paragraph spacing. You see here, right? I can go this command. You see remove space, right, after paragraph. I click here, right, single line spacing. Then I can press enter here, right? You see like this one, right? So is a big one, you can do big one, right, like this. If you want to change the color, you can go right, change the color. Barclay, you can change the color, right, maybe gold color. Like this, right? Or this one is blue. Or sometimes you don't like this, right? B capital like this one, only B. I change the color, right? Is the big size like this, right? So like this is called a Barclay Training Center, right? So using like this one. Okay, so sometimes you would like to, you know, right, how to increase the size, how to can bold, right? Sometimes you would like to change the color, you can change the color from here, right? Okay, sir, if you would like to highlight this paragraph, right, I 3 times click, right, but no need here. Then I can go home tab, then I can go paragraph. You see the shading bucket is there, then I'm choosing the color, right? You see the highlight, right? Or you would like to highlight here, again I can go, right, dark blue, right? So like this, your report is like this one, right? So what is the shortcut key to do same task here, right? Alt, one time. Then if you want to go home, H, again H, right? N, no color, right? So Alt, H, H, shading is coming, then I'm choosing color. Is okay? How to remove this one? Alt, H, H, N, no, right? Alt, H, H. How I can know, right, shading? I press Alt one time, you see, right, H. You see also here H for shading, right? Then I use arrows. So like this you can do, right? Or you want to put the border, border is there, right? So what is the shortcut key also, right? Alt H B, right? Alt H B is the shortcut key for border. I click on outside border, right? So like this you can do, right? Or you don't need border, Alt H B N. N mean no border, right? So Alt H B A, all border, Alt H B N, no border. So like this you can quickly done the work, okay? Okay, sometimes you would like to know, right, how to change the capital letter, small letter, like this, okay? Another thing I can do, right, sometimes you would like to highlight already done, right? You want to remove the highlight, Alt H H N. Cursor should be here, Alt H H N, right? No shading, like this one, okay? So no come back the normal. Okay, sir, if you would like to the highlight underline, so I click here, right? You see underline option there, right? I click here, underline. The underline is coming. You can click here, right? If the double underline, click here. You want to thick underline, thick underline. You want to dotted underline, dotted underline. So it's up to you, right? Or you want to change the color, go there, right? You see the color also, right? It's up to you what you want, right? Okay, so sometime you would like to strike through, right? You want to highlight. I click on strike through like this, right? That is called strike through. You want to, this one is also right. I click on there, strike through. The strike through is coming. You again click, remove. Firstly highlight, strike through, remove, right? Like this one. Okay, so what is the next part is called, right? Superscript and subscript, right? To what I'm going, okay? What it says next part is called, right? That is called resize, right? The clear formatting already discussed. What about the alignment I can discuss, right? Sometimes you need the paragraph spacing. What I'm doing, firstly I click here. I can go right here, line and paragraph spacing, remove, right? What happened, they like this, right? There is no gap in between the paragraph. What I'm doing right now, okay? I click here, then I can go right, line space and add space after paragraph. You can easily identify it, right? What is the third part is called line spacing. By default is single line spacing. You need double, control 2, double line, control 5, that is 1.5, control 1, single line. Otherwise you can go here, right? You see lines 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. There is a line spacing, right? By default is single line. Done, sir? So this is called a line spacing also. Or you want to put the bullets, right? I cursor should be here, right? Then I can need the bullets. I can choose the bullets from here, right? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, right? Or you don't want to use the bullets like this one, I can put here, right? Passport copy, enter, right? I can put here QID copy. I can put here, right, medical fitness certificate, medical fitness certificate, enter, right? No need this one. Or you need a further sub bullets, right? Your passport, there are two types of passport, tab, right? Local and international. You want to come back, shift tab, right? Then I can put new one, delete, okay? Like this one I can do the bullets. Okay, another way, you click here, right? You want to put something is here, right? Educational certificates. Okay, I put here, right? Technicals and vocationals certificates. I just highlight. Why is very big? Because there is a line spacing, right? Too much. Go there and remove, right? Control Shift L is the shortcut key for bullets. Okay, you no need to go there. So what is the shortcut key? Control Shift L. I will show, right? If the bullets are there, Control Shift L. Okay, you check, right? You see bullets coming, right? Or you want to remove, Control Shift L. Otherwise you can go right, remove. Or sometimes you want to give the bullets as numbering. You firstly highlight, you click here numbering, right? Click here, there are number bullets, right? Like this, like this, like this, right? It's up to you. I need a number of bullets. It's okay. So this is our first lecture today, right? About this paragraph setting, like this, right? Borders, right? This one is called bullets. I can discuss alignments. So like this you can do, right? In coming class, coming lectures, lecture number 2, I will discuss about styles and editing. So thank you very much watching this video, because Berkeley provides very good, right, educations. Basically, Berkeley is the best institute in Qatar, right? They promoting your not education, they promoting the skills. When these skills you are using in practical life, right? He is very helpful. Your work is looking very smart, and you are looking professionally doing this task. So thank you very much again. I again recommended the Berkeley is the best institute in Qatar. Thank you. Bye bye.